Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel SamTechBD. Today I will discuss how to check install apps or programs in your Windows 11 PC. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open File Explorer. Click address bar, then type shell:/apps folder. Click enter. Here you will see the all apps installed on your computer. Another way you can view the apps. Click start button. Go to settings. Click apps. Click installed app. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe